Mark, what's one leadership lesson from baseball that you think could apply to almost any industry?
Well, I don't know if it's a leadership lesson from baseball, but I think to walk through life open-minded, humble, and with a focus on getting better and learning. Those are the things I'm going to talk about tonight. And I think that regardless of what business you're in or what arena you're in, if you're focusing on perpetual improvement and if you're open-minded, you're going to gain a competitive advantage over time.
Great teams prepare for what might go wrong, just not what's expected to go right. How does that mindset show up in your leadership approach?
Well, listen, sports, inevitably, you spend a lot of time thinking about all the things that can go wrong. You spend very little time relishing the things that go right because you're so distracted by scenario planning and being prepared. But I do think, listen, successful people in all walks of life prepare for the potential worst. They're ready to make adjustments. Most importantly, I think it's that adaptability and openness to making adjustments because it's necessary, and doing that off of objective information rather than just emotion.
Insurance is fundamentally about planning for uncertainty. How do you plan for the unknown over a 162-game season?
Expect the unknown. Yeah. I mean, the unknown is the nature of 162. You can't be prepared for everything. I think the deeper an organization is, the more prepared you are going in, knowing that you're going to have variability of outcomes. But the most important thing is probably to understand there's a randomness to results and understand that before you actually make a change and make an adjustment, that it's not based upon a small amount of data or a small amount of information or emotion that kind of comes from being in the sports arena, but that it's based upon an objective analysis of that you can get better when you make that change.
Excellent. Thank you so much for your time, Mark.
Okay.